Okay, shall I resume the class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us start. Right. So I was discussing about the relational operators. So what you must understand here, our advantage of especially Python programming language. So here strings mean the relational operators. Relational operators can be applied on numbers, can be used with numbers, can be used with floating point values, can also be used with string data. But that was not allowed in C or not allowed in Java, right? Where we do comparison of strings or we do concatenation of strings with the help of some built-in functions like strlen function, strcmp function, strrcmp function. Like so many functions are there in C or in a Java programming language to do the comparison operations, right, or concatenation operations. But here with the help of simple relational operators, we can do comparison of strings. Just take here, for example, I'll take s equals to hello, right, and I'll take s1 equals to hello, right. So just what you can do here, yes is equals to s1. If I write just is equal to operator, it is going to give us either true or false based on the comparison. Look at here, now since both are having the same value, it is giving us true, right. Just now I'll do another one here, right. I'll write this one now. S is comparing with the value of S is comparing with the world. So now this time it is going to give us false. Yes, since both are not equal, is giving us false. Likewise, you can compare yes less than yes one, right? It's giving us false because since both are equal, it is giving us false, right? Like yes greater than yes one. If I write this one, it is also false, right? Like that, you can write here world. So obviously now this time it will give true. Since S is having the first letter H, so that means its ASCII value is lesser than W. Its ASCII value is lesser than W, it is going to give us true. If first characters are same, then it is going to compare with the next characters, second characters ASCII value. Based on that, it will check out whether it is less than or greater than. Like if I write yes greater than world, right, then it is going to give false. Did you understand string comparison?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
Is it
sir.
difficult task here? Is string comparison is difficult task? No. Simple relational operators. As we use these relational operators with the numbers, integer numbers, or with the floating point number values, so you can use this string, these relational operators with the string also. It is the beauty of Python programming language. They are made very simple. Use the concepts to use the concepts, right? Let us take a next one, right? Right now we'll come to the library. So many functions are there. So to know what are the functions available to work on strings, just execute this dir. Look at here the number of methods available to work on strings. Starting from here, you can see this. Yes, capitalize, case fold, center, count, encode, ends with, expand tabs, find, format, so many functions. So all these functions, if you learn and if you understand with the examples, if you practice with the examples, then while designing our application, your programs, so these functions will help you a lot, right? So definitely so many things, so just to explain, okay, just to explain you one thing. So I was telling you about the count, so in 1 or 2 minutes I'll finish that one. You're all working on counting of words, right? Counting of words from a message. Hello all.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ah,
Yes,
sir.
Simple,
sir.
simple. I'll show you simple way, right? Right. You're just writing some text message, some paragraph of text, right? Some paragraph of text. Okay. Right. Welcome to Python string concepts. So simple line I'm taking here. So this can be expanded to multi-line also. This can be expanded here. I'm going with the string concepts. Just I'm taking single example, single line here. Look at here. Now just I'll call a function called a split, right? S equals to I'll create one more now, S1, right? Split function. That's it. Now you look at here S1. What I'm having here S1 in S1. S was having a text message, right? It may be a paragraph of text. Here I taken a sample as just one line of text. It can be on multi-line text, so that you can take it in triple quotes. So that text message mean the paragraph of text can be splitted into words. Then can be splitted into words as a list of words. Look at here now. I am having that one in S1. Then simple. I want to create a dictionary with the character count, right? Word count, right? Number of occurrences. Simple. Now you can do here for W word in S1, since S1 is having list of words, right? Then I'll write D of W equals to, right? So D dot set default, right, of W comma 0. If not available, the W is not available in D, set it to 0 and increment its value by 1, right? So then done. So now you just see D content. Now what is there in D? Word count, number of occurrences of word count. This was the assignment given to you people to work on. How many lines of code I wrote here? Just 5 lines of code. Yes. Is it simple or not? Hello all.
Simple,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
I'll wind up, but why I shown this one? So because you people, some of you submitted assignment. Okay, fine, you search through internet and all fine, but try to understand those. And what I discussed, whatever the concepts I discussed, only from those concepts, try to write the code. Don't go for the concepts which are not discussed yet, right? Because few of the assignment submissions I saw, right, where I found the concepts which were very difficult. Okay, still I not discuss those concepts. Don't go for those, right? So just go with the simple thing, like see here, just with this simple code, we got this program. Just a 5 line of code, counting of occurrences of words in a paragraph. So that's why try to build your own code, ability of writing your code. Okay, so don't copy from others. Okay, don't copy from the net. Okay, but it is good attempt at least. Okay, okay, thank you. Okay, next class I will continue with the further parts of this, further concepts of this strings.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.